Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Mazda 3 side mirror. First, gather all the necessary tools. You'll need a screwdriver set, a trim removal tool, and of course, your new replacement mirror. Make sure you have the correct part for your specific Mazda 3 model. Working in a well-lit area will make the process much easier and safer. Having everything ready before you start saves time and prevents frustration. Next, you'll need to carefully remove the interior door panel. This usually involves prying off trim pieces and unscrewing a few bolts to access the mirror's wiring. Once the panel is loose, disconnect the electrical connector that powers the mirror's functions. Finally, unscrew the mounting bolts that secure the old mirror to the door frame. Keep these bolts safe, as you might need them for the new installation. Now, take your new side mirror and carefully position it onto the door frame. Secure it firmly using the mounting bolts you removed earlier. Once it's in place, reconnect the electrical wiring harness to the new mirror assembly. Before you put everything back together, it's crucial to test the mirror's functions, like adjustment and heating, to ensure everything works correctly. This step saves you from having to reopen the door panel later. Once the new mirror is secure and tested, carefully reattach the interior door panel. Ensure all clips align and snap into place firmly, and replace any screws you removed. Finally, adjust your new side mirror to achieve optimal rear visibility for safe driving. Remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals we've found for you. Taking these final steps ensures a professional finish and a fully functional mirror for your Mazda 3.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.